Hello friends, welcome to CCA English classes. Nowadays we are learning conversations and Lavina is here with us to have a talk. Today, self-introduction. We are going to start with introduction. First, I would like to request Lavina. She is going to give her introduction. Please give your brief introduction, Lavina.
Yes, I am Lavina Lohar. I am from Udaipur and I study at Ayush Paramedical College
Okay.
and I am fond of reading books, singing and cooking
Very good.
and
Aim.
the aim of my life is become to a successful lab technician.
Yes, the aim of my life is to become
A successful lab technician.
Very good. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, in introduction, let's learn how to give introduction. First, greet.
Yes.
In the morning before 12, what will you say? Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay. Then, name. I am is my whom. I am Lavina Lohar. I am from Udaipur. I am a student of Ayush. My hobbies are hobbies, or I am fond of much of people. I am fond of singing, dancing, and cooking. The aim of my life is to become a successful lab technician. And how will you finish an introduction? Saying thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. Now let's have a conversation. A talk between two strangers. Suppose I and Lavina both are strangers. And we are going to make inquiries about each other. Hello, I am Bhupendra Sharma.
Hello, I am Lavina Lohar.
Where are you from, Lavina?
I am from Udaipur.
Place. Where are you from? Place. So, I am from Udaipur. Udaipur is a place. Okay.
Where are you from?
I am also from Udaipur. मैं भी उदयपुर से हूँ. I am also from Udaipur. Are you a student, Lavina?
Yes, I am a student. Are you a student?
No, I am not a student. I am a spoken English channel. Okay. What are your hobbies, Lavina?
My hobbies are reading books, singing and cooking.
Good. Hobbies, what we do in free time. My hobbies are reading books and cooking.
What is your hobby?
Yes. Singular hobby. What is your hobby? My hobby is teaching. If more than one, my hobbies are teaching, making new friends, singing and dancing. Okay. What's the aim of your life, Lavina?
The aim of my life is become to a successful lab technician.
Yes. So what will we say? The aim of my life is to become. The aim of my life is to become a successful lab technician. Repeat.
The aim of my life is to become a successful lab technician.
Good. To make our tongue familiar, we need to repeat. We should prepare a phrase. Introduction. In most of interviews, interviewers ask about introduction. So we should prepare it in advance, very in advance. It should be well prepared. Okay. And we include all these things like name, native place, education, hobbies, and ambition, some key strengths. Key strengths is what X factors we have. So, what are your key strengths?
My key strengths is
The key strength singular.
Singular.
Key strengths are. For singular, we use is.
is.
Is used with singular. Singular noun is. Lavina is. My hobby is. My key strength is. He is. She is. It is. Any singular noun is. Is means I. I am. In short, we say I. Like time, we use I. My home. He is वह है. She is वह है. A girl. It is वह है. For a neutral gender. Okay. And singular noun is. A boy is. A girl is. So, what are your key strengths are? Plural. For plural noun, are. Boys are. Girls are. You are. You are singular, but I will use are. If there are more than one, Then also I will use you are, आप हैं, we are, हम हैं, they are, वे हैं. Any plural noun are. Okay. So what are your key strengths, Lavina?
My key strengths are positive and
Attitude.
hardworking
Nature.
and
Sincerity. Yes. My key strengths are my positive attitude, my hardworking nature, and sincerity. पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड सकारात्मक नजरिया, सिंसियरिटी सुशीलता, सिंसियरिटी, हार्डवर्किंग नेचर मेहनती नेचर. ग्रेट. ओके. देन हाउ वी फिनिश इट ऑल सेइंग नाइस टू मीट यू.
Nice to meet you too.
गुड. मुझे आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. नाइस टू मीट यू. रिपीट.
Nice to meet you too.
मुझे भी आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. सो लवीना सेज नाइस टू मीट यू टू. अगेन नाइस टू मीट यू.
Nice to meet you too.
Good to meet you.
Good to meet you too.
Wonderful to meet you.
Wonderful meet you too.
Wonderful to meet you too.
Wonderful meet you too.
Wonderful to meet you.
Wonderful to meet you too.
Yes. Great to meet you.
Great to meet you too.
Very good. Yes. Same. We can just repeat the same using to. T-O-O-2 means be also. Great. Okay, now I would like to ask you about your father. For father, we will use father is singular. Your father is, my father is.
Yes.
Okay, he is, we will use he for father. Okay, so what's your father's name?
My father's name is Mr. Ramlal Lohar.
Yes, my father's name is Mr. Ramlal Lohar. Ask about my father.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is late Mr. Shijitendra Balji Sharma. Okay. Is your father in a job?
Yes. No, he is a businessman.
Yes, he is a businessman. No, he is not in a job. He is a businessman. Okay. And what is his monthly income? उनकी monthly income क्या है? What's in short for what is we use what's? What's your father's name? What is in short what's? Yes. What is his monthly income?
20 to 30,000
Per month.
per month.
Very good. Okay. And now let's talk about your mother.
Yes.
Okay. For mother, what will you use? He or she?
She.
She, yes. For mother, we will use she. What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Mrs. Sugna Lohar.
Okay. Is she a homemaker?
No, she is a
Teacher. Great. Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Okay. Very good. Now I would like to ask about your brother.
Yes.
What is your younger brother's name?
My brother's name is Manit Lohar.
Okay. Is he a student?
Yes.
Okay. What's your younger sister's name?
Chanchal Lohar.
Okay. Is she a student?
Yes, she is also a student.
Very nice. So very easy. For singular we use is.
Yes.
Now I would like to ask about your parents. Parents means mother and father both. So for parents we will use are. Are your parents very religious? Religious means dharmic.
Yes.
Yes, they are very religious.
Yes, they are very religious.
Okay. Are they very caring?
Yes, they are very caring.
They are. For they? Yes, my parents are very caring. Yes, they are very caring. Okay. Very nice. So here we just learned the use of subject, then is, am, are, and then object. Lavina introduced herself. I am Lavina Lohar. I am from Udaipur. Okay, then negative. My mother is not a homemaker. Lavina
Yes.
said. Okay, and then parents. My parents are very caring. In negative, I'm not a teacher. I'm a student like you.
Yes.
Okay. In interrogative, we will use is MR first. Are you a student?
Yes, I'm student.
Okay. What are your hobbies then? Lavina will tell about her hobbies. What are your hobbies, Lavina?
My hobbies are reading books, singing, and
Dancing.
dancing.
Okay. In this way, you can also practice. And finally, when you meet somebody first time, then how will you finish it off? Saying, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Here, so here we are going to finish today's class saying, nice to meet you, friends. Please like, subscribe, and share our videos. Enjoy our videos, learn English, make friends, talk to them, follow them. Keep watching all the videos. Bye. See you tomorrow.